Question like integral 0 to 1 by root 2 sine inverse x divided by 1 minus x square to the power 3 by 2 dx. This question is slightly difficult because usually when you have sine inverse x, you should have its derivative as 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Here 1 by root of 1 minus x square is not directly available. Instead of root or power 1 by 2, we have a 3 by 2 here. So how do we go about this? Let us work out. So the same fashion, I will do sine inverse x as t. We will do a substitution. We will put sine inverse x as t. So the derivative, when you differentiate, 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx will be dt. If I go and continue this one, this will be sine inverse x, I will put as t by, and in the place of dx, see here I don't have 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So what I am going to do is I will write dx as dt into root of 1 minus x square. Temporarily let us write like this. So this I will write as dt into root of 1 minus x square. This is 1 minus x square to the power 3 by 2. Now in the next step what I do is I will cancel this and this or bring this down. So 3 by 2, this means power 1 by 2. So that 1 by 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, I can write this as 1 minus x square to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will become 2 by 2. That will be 1. So power will become 1 and this is dt. Still it is in different variable. This is in t and this is x square. So how we are going to do a replacement here? Now what I do is, from here I can write x is equal to sine t. Right, sine inverse x equal to t means x equal to sine t. From here you can write. And so x square will be what? Sine square. When you square on both sides. If I write 1 minus x square, I should write here also 1 minus sine square t. So that is equal to cos square t. Cos square t. So here I will write this as integral t divided by 1 minus x square. I will write as cos square t dt. So this will become integral. This we can bring it out up. So you can write t into 6 square t dt. Now you have to do it by integration by parts. Algebraic function into trigonometry. I late. Algebraic, then trigonometry. So when you do by parts, this will become first function into integral of this will be tan t. Integral c square t is tan t minus derivative of t with respect to t will be 1 into tan t dt. So this when you do t tan t minus integral 1 into tan t, that will become log mod sec t. Now one thing which I left is the limit. Let us look at the limit. When x equal to 0, when x is 0, t will be sine inverse 0. That means t is 0. So the new limit will be 0 only. And when x equal to 1 by root 2, t will be sine inverse 1 by root 2. You know sine inverse 1 by root 2 is pi by 4 for 45 degree, pi by 4. So this will become pi by 4. So that's what I want to apply here. So 0 to pi by 4. So let us apply pi by 4. So you'll get a t will become pi by 4 tan pi by 4 minus log sec pi by 4. So minus, when you put 0, when you apply 0 part, this t is 0 into tan 0, that is 0, minus log sec 0. Sec 0 means cos 0 is 1, so sec 0 is also 1. So log 1. Anyway, that's going to be 0. This is pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1 minus log sec pi by 4. Sec 45 degree, that is root 2. So root 2 minus, this is completely 0. Log 1, 0. So this can be written as pi by 4 minus log root 2. If somebody wants to write in this form, you can write 1 by 2 log 2 also. Root 2 to the power 2 to the power 1 by 2. This answer is also correct, this is also correct. Either of the way this you can do. But there is a chance we may go wrong if we don't adopt this kind of a substitution method. Okay.